If you want to download the Wise app on your phone, this tutorial will walk you through the entire process step by step. First, open the Google Play Store on your phone. If you're not already signed in, go ahead and log into your Google account, since you'll need one to download apps from the Play Store. Once you're in the Play Store, tap the search bar at the top and type Wise. In the search results, look for the official Wise app. You can verify it's the correct app by checking that it's published by Wise and has millions of downloads. Tap on the app, then select Install. The app will begin downloading and installing automatically. This usually only takes a few moments. When the installation is complete, you'll see an Open button. Tap it to launch the app. You can also find Wise later on your home screen or in your app drawer. When you open the app for the first time, you can sign into an existing Wise account or create a new account if you're new to the platform. From there, you'll be able to send money internationally, manage multiple currencies, and access other Wise features.